Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends on Mac. Playing League of Legends on your Apple computer is straightforward, as the game offers full native support for Mac OS. You can easily download the official game client directly from the Riot Games website. Before you begin, it's crucial to quickly check that your Mac meets the necessary minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. A stable internet connection is also essential for both the initial download and consistent gameplay. To ensure a good experience, your Mac should have at least 4 GB of RAM and a 2 GHz processor. You will also need a minimum of 12 GB of available storage space on your hard drive for the game installation. For graphics, an NVIDIA GeForce 8800 or an AMD Radeon HD 5670 or better is recommended. Once your system is ready, simply run the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, launch the League of Legends client. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create a free Riot Games account. Once your account is set up, simply log into the client using your new credentials. We highly recommend completing the in-game tutorial. It's an excellent way to learn the fundamental game mechanics and controls. Take some time to explore the settings menu and adjust graphics or keybinds to your personal preference for the best gameplay. For the best performance, always close any unnecessary background applications running on your Mac before playing. If you experience lag, try lowering the in-game graphics settings, such as resolution or shadow quality, to reduce the strain on your system. Regularly ensure your Mac OS is updated to its latest version, as these updates often include performance improvements. Also, keep your League of Legends client updated to benefit from bug fixes and optimizations released by Riot Games.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.